The next question is, imagine you have been asked to develop a performance assessment program for employee development. What techniques could you use to adequately evaluate employee performance as comprehensively as possible? First, we have to understand that there are different ways to observe job performance. I refer to Murphy's Table 5.2 model of job performance according to the in-role extra-role distinction, 1994, as cited in Jackson Britt 2014. With these two distinctions, for specifically in-role, it is a task-oriented behavior such as job proficiency, measuring how well you are at accomplishing it. When it comes to extra-role, we refer to interpersonal oriented behaviors, downtime behaviors, and destructive or hazardous behaviors that can impact your job performance. With regards to measuring job performance, I also refer to Murphy's 1989 measurement of job performance, where he characterizes it in 8 ways. Paper or pencil tests, which are standardized tests to ranker members, job skills tests, which are specific related tests to score your in-role behavior, on-site hands testing, which applies what they've learned in a real-life work environmental setting, off-site hands-on testing, which applies what they've learned in a controlled environment, high-fidelity simulations, which are examples like realistic patient environments involving as close to the real thing like mannequins in a medical setting for medical residents to practice on. And the last 3 are symbolic simulations, task ratings, and global ratings. When it comes to the extra role behaviors, we are looking at things outside of the technical job experience for the worker to be evaluated upon, like how they interact with other employees, to attending scheduled functions and assisting others in their work for their benefit. Lastly, we have to evaluate job performance over time, where Murphy 1989 characterizes it into maintenance and transition stages. When it comes to maintenance, we are looking for a job routine and automation, where there is a level of consistency one can view over time. Another stage is the transition stage, where we can see how the employee can adapt to the jobs through different changes that can happen over time. Thus, we are able to evaluate how efficient they are through their interactions among ability, motivation, and situational factors that can contribute or impact performance according to Jackson Britt 2014. Overall, when it comes to developing a performance assessment program for employee development, I refer back to my own personal experiences and how I do that with my students. I look at how well they are able to understand the job knowledge, the language from the very beginning, and how they are able to regress over the 2-week course that I put them through, where it comes from not just familiarization, but applying it and then being able to perform it in a formal setting, which involves my commander being able to sign off from them, basically entrusting them to do their job correctly in a formal setting.